Welcome to all. In this video sequence, we will discussing about KTU EST 102 programming in C, various previous year university questions. Previous year university questions discussion regarding programming in C. Question: without using any built-in programming functions like string length, string concatenation, etc., write a C programming to concatenate two string. Or otherwise the question will be like, write a C program to concatenate two string using pointers. We know for performing string concatenation, normally we have using the function as strcat. Without this using this function, we need to write a string concatenation program. Here we discussing about the programming. First one, header file hash include stdio.h, then main function. After that we will writing the two character string for storing string functions, then creating a two pointer using character str1 and character str2, that's a two pointer using asterisk symbol. After that printf enter the first number and the number will be read using scanf. Then second one, enter the second number and it will be stored in the string 2. After that we will performing string 1 is stored in str1 and string 2 is also stored in str2. After that we will check while str1 not equal to null for checking the first string, then writing str1 plus plus. For writing this sequence, we will check the first str1, that is means the first string is null or not. After that we will increase 1 by 1, then we will write while str equal to str2 equal to null, then we will store the value of str2 into str1, then value of str1 and str2 will be increasing. After that str1 equal to null, assigning str1 equal to null. Then two strings are stored in str1, then printf the concatenated string is in str1. We will discuss how this program sequence will work. First we call it as a string 1, then enter the value in string 1. Using this printf statement we can create an str1 array, a string 1 array of size 20. Then in this string 1 we will store the hello in the consequence program. Then using the second printf statement, enter the second string, and using scanf we can enter veiled in the second string sequence. After that we will performing while str1 not equal to null, then we will check the str1 is equal to null. No, there exists some value. At that time the value of str1 will be increasing. Value of str1 will be 1 plus plus or str1 plus plus. At that time it will be moving to up to null pointer. First it will be goes to pointing to h, then e, l, l, o, then pointing to null. When str points to null, at that time first while loop in, then stopping of execution of first while loop. Then it will go to the second while loop. In the second while loop it will check str2 not equal to null. Yes, it's right. Then entering to the while loop. Then it will be value of str2 is copied to str1. Now the pointer points to the position of a null. In str1 null pointer points to the position of a null value. Here str2 will be copying in the next position, the position from the null value stored onwards. W will be copied to the str1 in this null position. O will be copying to the next position. R will be placing the another position. L will be placing the another position, and D will be placing the another position. Then value of str2 is equal to null. At that time second while loop will be stopped. Then the value of string 1 will be assigned to the null value. str1 is assigned to null value, then last value will be pointing to null. Then after concatenation, the str1 will be like first hello, then second null, second string veiled, then after that null value will be pointing. Then this is our str1 after performing two while operations. Then it will be pointing to the printf value. The concatenated string is %s comma str1. At that time it will be displaying the hello veiled as the output. Then we can check the output of the program using compilation command gcc file name strcat is a file name .c for performing the compilation. After that ./a.out will be displaying the result. Then enter the first string. At that time I am entering hello. Then enter the second string. At that time entering veiled. Then the concatenated string is hello world. This will be the output. The concatenated string is hello world will be showing the output. This is a most important question. Several times university will asking the same question in C programming subject. Without using strcat or string concatenation function, we need to perform string concatenation. When we discussing or understanding the concept of a string concatenation without using str, we can use this program as a using the pointer program. Then the question will be like that, using pointer, write a C program to concatenate two string. Using pointer we can write the same question answer same answer as will be writing. That's regarding about string concatenation. The most important one is two while loops are there. First one for finding the null position of a string 1. Then second while loop is used for copying string 2 to the position of a string 1. Here we use str1 is equal to null for identifying or to the last position of a string 1. For obtaining the last position of a str1 is equal to null value. Otherwise it will think like there exists some other value. For obtaining this str1 equal to null is assigned outside the while loop. That is an important thing. Thank you.